Hey everyone, welcome back to AK Make Some More. Today we're going to learn the magic circle. I'm just going to show y'all real quick how I do it. It's not hard. I don't remember where I learned it from or what video I learned it off of, but this is the way I've done it for years, and there's really no right or wrong way to do this, but this is just the way I do it. So you're going to take your yarn and you're going to put it over your hand like this. And you're going to grab the yarn end right here, leave a little tail, between your thumb and your pinky, like that, okay? Simple enough. You're going to take your yarn and drape it down between your pinky and your ring finger, just like that. And you're going to take it with your other hand and you're going to wrap it behind and around the front of your ring finger and your middle finger, so like that. And you're going to do it again. You're going to wrap it around. Okay, and then one more time, but you're going to bring it up behind your index finger and over the top like that, and then in between your pinky and your thumb to hold it. That's what it looks like facing you, and this is what it looks like on the other side of it. And I'll do it again. And Lord have mercy, this child. He's playing underneath the sink. So drape it over your hand, pinch it between your thumb and your pinky, bring it behind your ring finger and your middle finger once, bring it behind it again twice, and then for the third time, wrap it around your index finger and then bring it to the front and put it between your thumb and your pinky. Okay, and now make sure you run your hook underneath both of these loops. So straight, follow the line of your finger straight through, and then go behind. You see there's yarn back here. You're going to grab that yarn, if I can grab it, grab that yarn and pull it through, and then make a chain just to hold it tight, to hold it together like that. And then you're going to work your stitches into the circle. So that's 1, 2, and I'm doing a single crochet, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to do 6. Okay, so and this is what you're left with. It looks like a little lasso. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this yarn tail out, just like that. Okay, that's what you got. Now you see there's two loops here. Okay, you're going to take and you're going to pull that front one right here, the one that's closest to the front up here. You're gonna take a pull it, and when you pull that, you're gonna notice that the whole, you see how it's going, it's closing. All right, then you have this big old loop, and you're like, well, what do I do with that? You see that yarn tail? You're going to take and you're going to pull that yarn tail. And this yarn is a little bit tough to work with because it's thin, but you're going to pull it. And then you're going to take and you're going to slip stitch into that first stitch here. And I done this, my stitch is a little too tightly. Okay. And so you have a circle. Now you see there's a hole in the middle of it. And if you want to get rid of that, you're going to take this yarn tail and you're going to pull it tight. And then it's going to close it off. And then we're going to do our increase. And increasing is just 2 of whatever stitch you're doing into that one stitch. So I'm doing single crochet. So to increase in this stitch right here, you're going to do 2 single crochet in that same stitch. So that's 1 single crochet in that stitch and then 2. That's an increase. So I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochet in this one. And then now we're back to the front up here. And you slip stitch. And then we're going to go ahead and do another round. You can chain 1 if you want to, and then go ahead and increase again. So 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet in the next. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, which is an increase. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochet in the next, which is an increase. 1 single crochet in the next. Increase. 1 single crochet, and then increase, slip stitch into the beginning here. Okay, let's see, starting to work up a little circle. Increase, and you keep doing this till the circle's as big as you want. Increase, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase. And you're going to increase anytime you want the project you're working on to be larger, to get larger. And then you see how it's starting to do that. So we're expanding it here. Chain 1, and you don't have to slip stitch into the last stitch there. You don't have to chain 1 because usually when you do it, it leaves a line. I usually skip over it. So you're going to increase, and then you're going to single crochet 3. You're going to increase, and then single crochet 3. And you're going to continue to do that until the surface is as large as you want it. So, for instance, I'm not good at talking and doing this. For the Coraline doll I'm working on, for her head size, I done an increase, and then I single crochet. I think I went up to like increase and then single crochet 6 or 7. I think it's probably 7, and then increase and then crochet 7, increase, and then I would start to, I'm gonna show you this next. And this is for y'all, anybody out here who really don't know how to do this. I'm trying not to go too fast, but not too slow. So now, say this is as big as you want it. The item you're making, this is as big as you want it. So now you're just going to do a simple, just single crochet around. And that's going to start forming the sides of it. So you're just going to, or even, not technically single crochet, but, because I single crochet for everything I make. I think I've said it before, I just like to clean stitches, and how they're close together. Double crochet in my opinion is too holy. Triple crochet in my opinion is too holy. And it's just too big of a stitch. It'd be good for blankets or clothing or something, but for dolls or animals or something like that, it really wouldn't work well because of the stuffing would come through. So you're just going to continue to do whatever stitch you're doing, whether it be single crochet, half double, double, a triple, whatever your stitch you're doing. You're just going to continue to go around and around and around until you get it about the length that you want it. And you'll start to notice that the sides are curling up because it's starting to actually form the shape. And like I said, I'm trying to go as fast as I can without going too fast. But trying to explain it the best that I can without, like I said, you know. And this yarn is wanting to be a pain. And you can see how it's curling. So what you're going to do is you're just going to curl it down. And it kind of looks like a little hat. And that's just to form in the shape. And honestly, you can use a circle shape for just about anything. And you don't have to close it off and make it a circle. If you want to make it like a tube shape, you can just continue going to for however many rows that you need it to be. But I'm about to show y'all real quick how to do a decrease and close it off. Like I said, I'm trying to not go too fast, but not too slow. And hopefully this will help someone out there. But next week I'll probably go more in depth of it. I don't know yet. We'll figure out how this video goes for y'all. Okay, so say you got to the end and this is as good as it's going to get for you, and you want to decrease. So what you're going to do is, and this is how I decrease. I honestly don't know if this is how everybody decreases or not. This is how I learned, at least. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hook into the next stitch, and you're going to yarn up and pull it up, pull up a loop. So there's 2. And then you're going to go to the next stitch beside it and pull up a loop. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 and pull it tight. And then you're going to crochet 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say 3. You're going to crochet however many. I can't really, I do everything freehand, so I don't use a pattern, so I'm not good at explaining this, but I'm just going to show you the stitch. So put your hook into the next stitch, and there's a, okay. And then grab the yarn and pull it through, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Put it into the next stitch, pull a yarn over and pull it through, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3, and pull it tight. And then single crochet or crochet however many. So I'm going to say 3. Again, pull it through. 1, 2, 3. And this is the way I decrease, and it works for me. I've never had a problem with it before. So, and then you're going to decrease in the next. You're going to do 1, 2, 3. And I messed that up big time. I apologize. I'm going to slip stitch into that right there. Start a new row. You're going to do decrease, pull it through, and then crochet 1, 2, and then you're going to decrease again. 1, 2, decrease again. 1, 2, decrease again. And you can see it's starting to close it off. It's starting to close it off, and then it's going to form the shape, whatever shape you're trying to get. Like I said, this could be good for an animal, the start of an animal head, or a doll, or whatever you're trying to make. So again, put your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now you got 2 loops on your hook. Go to the next stitch beside it, yarn over, pull it through, and then you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 3, and then that's the decrease. So I hope that helped. I hope I explained it somewhat decent enough to where y'all could follow through. I've tried. I'm just a little tired today, so I hope I explained it good enough. But I'm going to finish working on this doll, this Coraline doll. I think she's turned out pretty cute so far. I'm working on her yellow jacket part. I'm going to build the jacket up first, and then I will make a body and attach it to her head. And attach it through here, just because her coat isn't really going to be removable. Her hood will be, and I will show y'all all that when I have her completely together. But right now I'm trying to use her in there. I'm trying to put that in there to keep the shape and the form so I can kind of work off of it. But this is the style that the customer chose. I showed her one that I found online, and she really liked the style. So that's what I'm kind of working off of, is that picture. So she's happy with it. It's kind of, like I said, like a doll, kind of, cutesy little, no mouth or nothing like that. Just her nose and her eyes. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I'm going to try to finish this up. I hope I can finish it up. If I do, I will do a video on it, maybe today or maybe next week. I don't know. It just depends on when I get done. But if I get it done today, I will try to make a quick video just to show y'all what she looks like. And I have a bunch of other stuff that custom orders that I have coming in that a bunch of stuff that I haven't made before, so I'm super excited to make it, and I think they're going to be all really awesome. So I'm going to be showing all that stuff to y'all too, and I hope y'all tune in to see everything. If you're new to my channel, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button so you can see all the new stuff that I'm going to make and show y'all. Also, if you haven't, click the notification bell so every time I post a new video, y'all get notified, which is usually Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wednesday, I do the crochet segments, trying to teach someone out there something, which I think I'm doing pretty good so far. And I'm excited to see that all the people who are learning from me and who are just catching on with the crochet, and y'all are doing some amazing stuff. So y'all definitely keep on keeping on. Y'all are doing awesome. I'm very proud of every single one of y'all. But that's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I got to get to working on this, like I said. I got some more custom orders coming in, so I got to get all that situated, settled down, and written up, and scheduled out, and all this stuff. So I got a lot to do. But thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being awesome and supportive. I hope this video helps someone out there. If you like this video and it did help you, please give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Once I hit 200 subscribers, I will be doing a 2-winner giveaway for all kinds of goodies. I'm excited about that. And thank you all for those of you who have subscribed and supported me so far. Y'all are amazing, and I couldn't thank y'all enough and be more grateful for y'all. So that's going to be all for today. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all sometime soon.